Daily use English sentences.
දිනපතා භාවිතා කරන ඉංග්‍රීසි වාක්‍ය.
How are you doing today? How are you doing today? How are you doing today?
අද ඔබට කොහොමද?
I'm running late. I'm running late. I'm running late.
මට ප්‍රමාදයි.
What's the plan for the evening? What's the plan for the evening? What's the plan for the evening?
හවසට මොකද්ද සැලසුම?
Can you give me a hand with this heavy box? Can you give me a hand with this heavy box? Can you give me a hand with this heavy box?
මේ බර පෙට්ටිය මට අතට දෙන්න පුළුවන්ද?
What time is your flight? What time is your flight? What time is your flight?
ඔබගේ ගුවන් ගමන කීයටද?
Let's go out for dinner tonight. Let's go out for dinner tonight. Let's go out for dinner tonight.
අපි අද රෑ කෑමට එළියට යමු.
I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it. I'll take care of it.
මම ඒක බලා ගන්නම්.
You don't need to worry. You don't need to worry. You don't need to worry.
ඔබ කලබල විය යුතු නැත.
Don't forget to turn off the lights before you leave. Don't forget to turn off the lights before you leave. Don't forget to turn off the lights before you leave.
ඔබ පිටත්ව යාමට පෙර විදුලි පහන් නිවා දැමීමට අමතක නොකරන්න.
May I have a glass of water, please? May I have a glass of water, please? May I have a glass of water, please?
කරුණාකර මට වතුරු වීදුරුවක් දෙන්න.
I'll be ready in a few minutes. I'll be ready in a few minutes. I'll be ready in a few minutes.
මම විනාඩි කිහිපයකින් සූදානම් වෙන්නම්.
Just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. Just give me a moment.
මට මොහොතක් දෙන්න.
What time is our meeting scheduled for? What time is our meeting scheduled for? What time is our meeting scheduled for?
අපගේ රැස්වීම සැලසුම් කර ඇත්තේ කීයටද?
I apologize for the delay. I apologize for the delay. I apologize for the delay.
ප්‍රමාදයට සමාව අයදිනවා.
Have you seen my phone? Have you seen my phone? Have you seen my phone?
ඔබ මගේ දුරකථනය දුටුවාද?
I can't seem to find it anywhere. I can't seem to find it anywhere. I can't seem to find it anywhere.
මට එය කොතැනකවත් සොයාගත නොහැකි බව පෙනේ.
Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this?
ඔබට මට මේ සඳහා උදව් කළ හැකිද?
I'm having trouble figuring it out. I'm having trouble figuring it out. I'm having trouble figuring it out.
මට ඒක හොයාගන්න අමාරුයි.
I'm really tired. I'm really tired. I'm really tired.
මට ඇත්තටම මහන්සියි.
I think I'll go to bed early tonight. I think I'll go to bed early tonight. I think I'll go to bed early tonight.
මම හිතන්නේ මම අද රෑ කලින් නිදා ගන්නවා.
What's your favorite type of cuisine? What's your favorite type of cuisine? What's your favorite type of cuisine?
ඔබ කැමතිම ආහාර වර්ග මොනවාද?
I'm sorry if I made a mistake. I'm sorry if I made a mistake. I'm sorry if I made a mistake.
මම වරදක් කළා නම් සමා වෙන්න.
Please let me know how I can fix it. Please let me know how I can fix it. Please let me know how I can fix it.
කරුණාකර මට එය නිවැරදි කරන්නේ කෙසේදැයි දන්වන්න.
I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
මම ඉක්මනට එන්නම්.
I need to use the restroom. I need to use the restroom. I need to use the restroom.
මම විවේකාගාරය භාවිතා කළ යුතුයි.
What's your favorite TV show? What's your favorite TV show? What's your favorite TV show?
ඔබේ ප්‍රියතම රූපවාහිනී වැඩසටහන කුමක්ද?
I'm looking for something new to watch. I'm looking for something new to watch. I'm looking for something new to watch.
මම බලන්න අලුත් දෙයක් හොයනවා.
I'm sorry for the misunderstanding. I'm sorry for the misunderstanding. I'm sorry for the misunderstanding.
වරදවා වටහා ගැනීම ගැන මට කනගාටුයි.
Let me clarify what I meant. Let me clarify what I meant. Let me clarify what I meant.
මා අදහස් කළ දේ පැහැදිලි කිරීමට මට ඉඩ දෙන්න.
They're too heavy for me to carry alone. They're too heavy for me to carry alone. They're too heavy for me to carry alone.
ඒවා මට තනියම ගෙනියන්න බැරි තරම් බරයි.
I don't want to be late. I don't want to be late. I don't want to be late.
මට ප්‍රමාද වීමට අවශ්‍ය නැත.
Did you see the news today? Did you see the news today? Did you see the news today?
අද නිවුස් එක දැක්කාද?
There was an interesting article about technology. There was an interesting article about technology. There was an interesting article about technology.
තාක්ෂණය ගැන රසවත් ලිපියක් තිබුණා.
I need to take some notes. I need to take some notes. I need to take some notes.
මට සටහන් කිහිපයක් ගත යුතුයි.
Did you do anything exciting? Did you do anything exciting? Did you do anything exciting?
ඔබ උද්‍යෝගිමත් යමක් කළාද?
Would you like a cup of coffee? Would you like a cup of coffee? Would you like a cup of coffee?
ඔබ කෝපි කෝප්පයකට කැමතිද?
I'm thinking of going on a trip. I'm thinking of going on a trip. I'm thinking of going on a trip.
මම ගමනක් යන්න හිතාගෙන ඉන්නේ.
I need to do laundry. I need to do laundry. I need to do laundry.
මට රෙදි සෝදන්න ඕන.
Congratulations on your new job. Congratulations on your new job. Congratulations on your new job.
ඔබගේ නව රැකියාවට සුබ පැතුම්.
You deserve it. You deserve it. You deserve it.
ඔබ එයට සුදුසුයි.
I think I caught a cold. I think I caught a cold. I think I caught a cold.
මම හිතන්නේ මට හෙම්බිරිසාව හැදුනා.
I woke up early and made myself a cup of coffee. I woke up early and made myself a cup of coffee. I woke up early and made myself a cup of coffee.
මම වේලාසනින් අවදි වී කෝපි කෝප්පයක් සාදා ගත්තෙමි.
Have you brushed your teeth yet? Have you brushed your teeth yet? Have you brushed your teeth yet?
ඔබ තවමත් දත් මදින්නේ නැද්ද?
I love cooking breakfast in the morning. I love cooking breakfast in the morning. I love cooking breakfast in the morning.
මම උදේට උයන්න ආසයි.
Have a great day. I'll see you later. Have a great day. I'll see you later. Have a great day. I'll see you later.
සුබ දිනයක් වේවා. මම ඔබව පසුව හමු වෙන්නම්.